Ensuring safety of the ingredients used in Ayurvedic medicines is a very important factor. At Mada, we use only classical Ayurvedic medicines, which means they have been prescribed in classical texts. When we look at the ingredients individually, we may find that some ingredients are believed to be not so beneficial or some are a bit harmful for health, but they are part of the total ingredients. So, how is it that we can ensure the safety of the medicine for our patients? Let us ask our chief physician.
Okay, the question is relevant, but it is applicable not only in the eye disease but all diseases and all medicines, and not only in Ayurveda but all systems of medicine. Anyway, I will try to explain how it is achieved in Ayurvedic system of medicine. Each and everything in this world has its own impact on other things also. Nothing is independent. Starting from the very basic elements, like from sun rays, then water, then plants, animals, everything is connected or bound together in different ways. That means nothing is existing by itself. Now coming to the human being. Human body is a highly complex combination of all these things. We need everything, sun rays or water, then metals, then heavy metals, and then other non-metal things like calcium or sodium, potassium, and everything is necessary for our body. But the proportion is not same for all human beings. It varies according to the necessity, depending on their physical constitution and the physical exercise they need, their mental status. So many things are there to be considered. Now the question comes in a big way. How these necessary items can be introduced to a human being? The answer is very simple. We have to introduce these things into the human body in such a way so that we get the maximum benefits and avoiding any defects if there is. Then we can see how it is done or achieved in Ayurveda. The first thing is purification of the items. That means there are so many things which are considered to be poisonous or even dangerous to human body, such as heavy metals or mercury, like that. And some medicinal plants also are there which are supposed to be very poisonous. But this can be overcome by different methods. One is, the most important is purification. There are different methods to purify a thing. For example, if one poisonous plant is there and it has some medicinal values, that can be purified to eliminate that poisonous effect and to project or to improve its medicinal effects. That methods are highly different from one item to another item. Very complicated and highly scientific methods are there. This is the first step to avoid its unwanted or unnecessary effects in the human body. Second method is making a combination of different ingredients. And these are known as yoga in Ayurveda. A yoga means it is a highly specific combination of different ingredients in a medicinal combination. And so it may contain sometimes some items which are supposed to be dangerous to a human being, but it is solved or nullified by the combined action of different ingredients. It's very fantastic, very interesting topic. So, if you are avoiding one item from that, it may be sometimes dangerous. But that proportion also is very important. In which proportion each ingredient should be added. So, if the formula is used in the correct way, if the proportion of the ingredients are very in the scientific way, nothing unwanted or unnecessary effect will be there in our human body. That is the second thing. There is one more thing, the mode of preparation. In Ayurveda, it is termed as Aushadha Kalpana. The preparation is very particular in Ayurveda. It is not simply making distillation or simply making extracts. It is not like that. It is a highly complex, or even one can say complicated procedure. First of all, we have to make some decoction, and then again make adding some ingredients, then adding milk, then adding like that. It is very very specific for each medicinal preparation. So in each step there will be sometimes more than 50, 60 ingredients also are there. So in between this preparation method, there will be formation of a new compound or a new effective factor also will be formed. And that will be enough and more to nullify any side effects which is possible in a particular ingredient. The study is very, very deep study only can reveal all these things. In short, if we are taking one combination and making in its own steps, we are taking in scientific methods for preparation, nothing to be afraid of these side effects or adverse effects of a single ingredient. It will be already nullified. So we can assure the safety of the medicine by going through these steps. First, to purify the things according to the scientific way, then take a correct combination, then prepare it in a scientific way in its own steps. Then no problem, it is safe, and we will get full effects, full medicinal effect only, not any adverse effects. It will be already nullified during these procedures.